inMailX enables you to rename and reorder attachments, clean metadata from attached documents, convert attachments to PDF, password protect multiple attachments from one interface, and zip attachments to reduce size. In addition, you also have the options to quickly undo or redo attachments, formatting actions to either make changes or rectify errors without having to reattach the original documents. Once you have attached documents to your email, the inMailX attachments buttons come active, so you can format your attachments prior to sending them. We often store our documents with naming conventions that mean something to us but are not relevant to the recipient. Using the Rename button, you can rename the attachments to a more appropriate name and easily remove any unwanted information. The red pencil shows that you have changed the name of the document. The changes are only relevant for the document copy you are sending. It does not change the name of the original documents. From the same window, you can also reorder your attachments. You can choose the order you wish the attachments to appear in by simply dragging the attachment up or down in the list, using the up-down arrows, or sorting the attachments in ascending or descending alphabetical order. Once the new order is set, just click OK. Now, if you need to remove any confidential metadata from your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF and image attachments, you can simply click the Clean button. You can choose which attachments are to be cleaned by selecting the checkbox on the left, and which metadata to remove by selecting the options in the right pane. Generally, the default metadata cleaning options for each attachment type are preset by your company, but you can also choose to keep some required metadata. For example, you may choose to keep track changes and/or comments in Word documents that require review. Once you've selected what to clean, click the OK button and your attachments will be cleaned quickly and easily. After the attachments have been cleaned, you have the option to open and review them and make sure that all confidential metadata has been removed. And if a change is required, you can click Undo and clean the attachments again. Converting documents to PDF before they are sent via email is often a business requirement. With inMailX, you can simply click the PDF button to convert your attachments to PDF on the fly. You can choose which attachments to convert using the checkboxes on the left. To combine multiple attachments into a PDF, click the Combine box, enter the name of your combined PDF, and choose whether to create bookmarks or not. The bookmark names are derived from the attachment name, and you can rename them inside the PDF window. You can also change the order in which the attachments should appear in the PDF by dragging them up or down in the list, or using the up-down arrows. If you need to show tracked changes and comments in converted Word documents, you can simply select the desired Show Track Changes options. If you need to also secure your PDF, just click the Security tab and choose to set an open password and apply content restrictions like disable printing, copying, or modifying the document if required. When you're ready, choose to create a PDF or PDF-A, click OK, and the attachments you have selected will be converted and combined into a single PDF with very little effort and knowledge required. Once completed, you can open and review the created PDF, and as you can see, it can be easily navigated and understood by the person receiving it. Now, if you need to make a change to your PDF, it's not a drama. You can click the Undo button to take you back to your previous step or multiple steps. In case you accidentally reverted an action you didn't want to, you can simply click the Redo button to bring the reverted documents back. Once the attachments have been formatted as desired, you can send the email. When configured, The inMailX Send Guard window will be displayed, prompting you to check and confirm that your recipients and attachments are correct. SendGuard can be configured to only appear when you are sending external emails or for both internal and external emails. If you want to check the attachments, you can open and check them. And you can also remove any unwanted recipients or attachments at this time, so you don't have to start over. Once you confirm that all your recipients and attachments are correct, click the Send button to send your email. Now let's assume that you're sending an important email that you need to follow up on. With inMailX, this can be done very easily. When composing your email, just toggle on the Appointment or Task button and send your email. Once your email has been sent, an appointment or task will be automatically created. inMailX can be configured to automatically attach a copy of the email to the scheduled appointment or task for easy reference. You just need to set the follow-up date and time and save it in your calendar. Once you've saved the follow-up appointment or task, you'll be back to where you started from, your inbox. If you received an email that has attachments and you need to reply and keep the original attachments, you have a handy Reply with Attachments button. No longer will you need to forward the email and retype the original email addresses. You can choose to reply with attachments to the sender only or to all the recipients in the original email. If you want to send the attachments as a zip file, you simply click the Zip button, select the attachments to be compressed using the checkboxes on the left, and enter the zip file name. If you need to apply security, click the Security tab and set the Open Password and encryption level. Then click the OK button and the attachments will be compressed. After the attachments have been compressed, if you need to make a change, you can again use the Undo button to revert the action. When finished, you're ready to send your email. If you need to email sensitive documents that need to be protected with a password, you can use the Protect button to password protect them from one interface. You can password protect Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and zip attachments in one simple process. You simply select which attachments you'd like to protect, enter and confirm your password, and click OK. If there is a need for you to change the password, there is no drama. You just click Undo to bring back the unprotected documents, then click the Protect button again, type and confirm the new password, and click OK. Now that you have the protected documents ready to be sent, if you need to follow up on them, you can again click the Appointment button and send the email. Once the email has been sent, the appointment will be automatically created and you just need to set the follow-up date and time and save it in your calendar.